Unjamming English. Understanding the mixer is jammed. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common phrase you might encounter in everyday English, especially when dealing with household appliances. The phrase is, the mixer is jammed. Whether you're a beginner or advancing in your English learning journey, understanding these types of phrases can be incredibly useful. So, let's break it down together and make sure you're equipped to handle such situations both in language and in the kitchen. When something is jammed, it means it's stuck, unable to move or function as it should. This can happen due to something blocking its movement or because of a malfunction inside the mechanism. In English, jammed is a versatile word used not only for machines but also for situations where movement is hindered, like in traffic. Now, when we talk about the mixer, we're referring to a common kitchen appliance used to mix, beat, or knead food ingredients. Mixers can be handheld or stand mixers. The phrase, the mixer is jammed, specifically means that this appliance has encountered a problem and can't operate properly. It might be because something is stuck inside it, or a part of it is not working right. Understanding the phrase, the mixer is jammed, can be helpful in various situations. Kitchen conversations, when you're cooking or baking and need to explain why you can't proceed with a recipe. Appliance troubleshooting, when you're trying to fix the mixer or explain the problem to someone else, like a repair technician. Learning mechanical vocabulary, it's a great example of how English speakers describe problems with machinery and appliances. The mixer is jammed is a specific instance, but learning to use jammed in other contexts can broaden your English communication skills. You might hear, the door is jammed, the printer is jammed, or traffic is jammed. Notice the pattern? It's all about something being stuck or not flowing smoothly. And that wraps up our exploration of the mixer is jammed. I hope this video not only helps you understand this particular phrase but also enriches your overall English vocabulary and your ability to handle everyday situations, be it in the kitchen or discussing problems. Remember, learning a language is all about piecing together these little bits of information to form a bigger picture. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.